Hey everyone, Coach Melissa here from Sincerely Creative Mom. I am one of the coaches inside the Creative Coaching Group, along with Damon, Jordan, Tammy, and Jackie, Derica, Tess, Stacy, and all of the other people. Our ribbons are 14 inches long. I'm just folding them in half and trying to find the center as best as I can. There, so our ribbons are 14 inches long. 14 inches long. I'm just going to set these aside for a second. We're going to do 28 inches. A little different for me, but I'm going for just a little bit thicker. Just a little bit thicker. Going like 28 and a half almost. I'm trying to use a whole roll, but just in case, I don't want to have to open up another one. So I'm just adding these right exactly where I would normally for a pancake style. So right where the brackets are. So on the outside, I do 12. That's the number I do for twist ties. All right, we're going to go on the outside. I'm going to do a little curl, a squishy, what is it? A ruffle, and then a little curl on the other end. Okay, little curl, scrunch, little curl. Coming right to the outside. I'm going to the outside first, of course, just like I normally always do for a pancake style, except for I'm going to leave it nice and big and fluffy. All right, so little curl, nice and fluffy. I still use, my magic number is 12. I still use 12. It'll be just fine. It'll look cute. So my ribbons here are 14 inches. And always, 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 always make sure you are spreading them apart. Just like this. Look at how cute that is. Right at the center. Nice and tight. Face it out towards you. All right, now we're going to go right on top with the next layer. Little curl. Scrunch, 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 scrunch. Little curl. I'm going to make sure that all that ribbon comes out towards me. So I don't want any ribbon in the center at all. Super cute. Super cute. Super cute. Oh my gosh. All right, so I add a little bit of cushion here. Our staples are 1/4 inch, and this is, it's like so close to 1/4 inch, okay, just not quite. So I need to add a little bit of cushion there, and I do that with the backs of the ribbon. And that just gives me enough padding in there. So I'm going to take those pipe cleaners and go straight through right where I am into that base, and then I'll put those ribbons back in place. I want to cover up those pipe cleaners that are underneath there. See how it covered all 4 of those pipe cleaners, and then I only have to worry about those 2 pipe cleaners. I'm going to put a nice little bow right here, and then the tails will kind of come down. Boom. I almost want to use just this. I feel like I do. Let's see what it looks like. Let's just see what it looks like. I'm going to do 2 and then 3. So my little loop on the top and then 2 loops. I just want to see what it's going to look like. Maybe we don't like it. Maybe we do. Maybe we keep it. Maybe we don't. Usually I don't like to use the same ribbon from the tail in the bow. I really do like to use different. However, this is so perfect. So 2 the same size. This is going to be our center one, and then we're going to do our next one that's just a little tiny bit bigger. And we're going to do 3. I'm going to go quick because my hands are starting to not like me very well. And this ribbon is so close to being the same on both sides. I could have gotten away with not twisting. I really could have, but that's just a habit. Oh, we go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I gotta get this done because my hand is yelling at me. Trying not to rush so that I don't have carpal tunnel, y'all, and that starts to hurt after a minute. Try not to rush and make it yucky. I'm just trying to get it done. Okay. I really think I'm going to use this. I'm just going to absolutely use it. I love the plaid. I can't stand it. I love it. It's so cute. Why not? I don't know if I've ever done this with just one ribbon on there. I totally am this time. Because why not? Doing the same thing, wrapping that underneath. Have to cut those and that. Okay, so I'm going to bring that center loop up. And those 2 side to side. And then we have... Oh, I'm glad I did this. I love it. Like a lot. Just fan those out. Put them where you want them to go. So cute. All right, y'all. Thanks for joining. See you later.